काम में कोई कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ नहीं करते।
Their attention to detail is unmatched.
Whatever we expect, he is deliver more than that.
त्यांना क्वालिटीमध्ये कुठल्याही प्रकारची कॉम्प्रोमाइज चालत नाही.
काम में थोड़ा स्ट्रिक है.
The team is excellent.
काम उनको एकदम परफेक्ट चाहिए सर.
पंकज सर से जुड़ने के बाद मुझे काफ़ी अनुभव हुआ है.
हमारे जो भी नीड्स हैं गेटिंग ऑल फुलफिल्ड वेरी नाइसली.
Pankaj Brahmania will never disappoint that person. This group is a great group and I wish that this group grows more.
Pankaj Brahmania is my good friend, and whatever we expect, he is deliver more than that, and in time. Anybody can trust on Pankaj Brahmania and Brahmania Group.
बहुत अच्छा लगता है और हम लोग बहुत साल से काम कर रहे हैं पंकज सर के साथ.
मी ॲक्च्युली ब्रह्मण्या कन्स्ट्रक्शनमध्ये ॲज अ सुपरवायझर म्हणून जॉबला आहे. आमच्या ब्रह्मण्या ग्रुप कन्स्ट्रक्शनमध्ये क्वालिटीवर खूप महत्त्व दिलं जातं आणि आमच्या सरांचं एक वैशिष्ट्य आहे की आम्ही स्टील आमचं कॉन्क्रीट क्वालिटीवाला वापरतो आणि कॉन्क्रीट करत असताना जर वेळेच्या पुढे गेला कॉन्क्रीटचा वेळ तर आम्ही ते कॉन्क्रीट वापरत नाही. क्लायंटनी दिलेल्या वेळेच्या अगोदरच आम्ही त्यांचं काम पूर्ण करून देतो. क्लायंट येऊन आम्हाला जी पण सुधारणा सांगेल आम्ही त्या प्रकारच्या सुधारणा त्याच्यात करतो आणि व्यवस्थित करतो.
जैन समाज से आता हूँ और हम लोग का मेन काम है फाइनेंस का भी है और हम लोग बिल्डरों को फाइनेंस करते हैं. उसमें पंकज भाई का नंबर 1 है कि ये रिलायबल पर्सन और कभी भी एनी टाइम खोलते हैं. हमारी पूरी टीम फाइनेंस करने को रेडी हो जाती है.
Dream doesn't become reality in a single day. It takes a lot of hard work, time. In fact, you have to give up your own dreams when you have to start something new, from scratch. To start from zero, it really takes a lot of time. And I always believe there is always problems in life. So you sit with the problem, you're stagnant there. What you have to do is you accept the problem, find the solution and move on. I believe in finding opportunity in every problem. There's a reason we are here. We are Shri Brahmania Groups now.
Shri Brahmania Group is not just a company, it's my brother's dream in action. He puts his heart into every project with full honesty and commitment. He never rushes things or cuts corner because he wants the best for the people who live there. It's not about business for him, it's about giving something meaningful and built to last.
तो बेसिकली मतलब आई वुड जस्ट लाइक टू से दे आर वेरी प्रोफेशनल इन देयर वर्क. तो जनरली हम प्रोफेशनलिज्म देखने जाते हैं बट काफ़ी जगह फर्म्स होती है प्रोफेशनल बट एक पर्सनल टच मिस हो जाता है. बट यहाँ पे आपको वो प्रॉपर प्रोफेशनलिज्म प्लस पर्सनल टच भी मिलता है. सो दिस इज़ वॉट आई लाइक अबाउट देम. बोथ ऑफ देम आर एंड इवन परी ब्रह्मानी शी इज़ सो स्वीट. इतने अच्छे से वो बोलती हैं पूनम जी आपको ऐसा चाहिए, हम ये करते हैं, हम यहाँ पे ऐसा कर देते. तो किचन का भी वी वे हैविंग सम कि इतना बड़ा बना है, इतना बड़ा बना है. सो शी वेरी नाइसली एक्सप्लेन माई हस्बैंड की किचन तो इतना ही होना चाहिए, यहाँ आपका ये सामान आ जाएगा, वैसे आ जाएगा. तो बीइंग फीमेल, सो शी अंडरस्टैंड्स व्हाट अ फीमेल वांट्स इन हर हाउस, उसकी क्या क्या नीड होगी. सो दैट way she understood my needs and she could put it into the plans and all.
In my family only we had construction company. I used to work with my father. So since childhood I am been watching all these kind of things only.
नेचर सर बहुत अच्छा है. अपना भी फर्ज है एक से साथ एनी टाइम खड़े रहने का.
हम लोग इधर ब्रह्मण्या ग्रुप के साथ बहुत साल से काम कर रहे हैं और इधर सिविल वर्क कर रहे हैं और बहुत ही टाइम से कर रहे हैं. सर का थोड़ा 3-4 बजे मैसेज आ जाता है कि आज का क्या काम करना है और हम वो हिसाब से फॉलो कर रहे हैं उनके साथ और बहुत साल से साथ पे काम कर रहे हैं. हमारा रिलेशन एक परिवार जैसा है उनके साथ. सिविल वर्क इसका हम लोग ने 6 महीने का टाइम दिया है और वो टाइम में ख़त्म करके देंगे काम. हम लोगों का मेन काम सिविल बिल्डिंग बनाने का, रेन वाटर का सब काम है. ये उनके साथ समझो ना ये तीसरा प्रोजेक्ट है कि क्वालिटी ज़्यादा चाहिए. अगर नहीं है क्वालिटी, ये ब्लैक जापान अभी मरवाए उन्होंने, कोई बिल्डर नहीं मरवाते और उन्होंने अपने साथ रह के ये काम करवाए और हम लोग ने करके दे रहे हैं उनके हिसाब से.
I've grown up watching the Brahmania Group evolve, and what really stands out about them is how ahead of the curve they are. Their team is excellent. It consists of consultants who are present internationally and architects from London. And overall, their team which is present here is excellent at execution. At Shri Brahmania Group, their priority is not just finishing projects fast and just crunching up the numbers, increasing their market value. It's more about delivering a product which is solid, sustainable and long lasting. They keep in mind the buyer's perspective, who are going to spend their hard earned money and going to live in the flat for a long time of their life.
I have seen Sri Brahmania's group work from behind the scenes. They use top-notch materials in their construction, and the sanitary ware is also of the top-notch quality. They collaborate with architects of national and international repute, which can be seen from the quality of the construction made.
We are developers, we are interior designers, and recently we have started elevation as well. Just acquiring plot is not an easy task. Acquiring plot, looking into legals, and then going ahead with the construction here in Mumbai in collab with different level of architects.
I have recently collaborated with Indicor Architects, an interior design firm based in Mumbai. We are a young and passionate team of architects and have successfully completed around 30 to 50 projects in and around Mumbai. Our core expertise lies in design execution of bungalows, residential and commercial buildings. We not only do the functional spaces, but also we reflect the vision of the client.
We have made a strong team of young professionals, which includes architects at different levels, who does licensing, who does elevation drawings for us. And in-house we have Indicor brand, which has been led by Falsa Brahmania. We just not make buildings and homes, we make actually dream come true for the people who come to us.
At Brahmania Group, they also believe in delivering the project on time and without compromising on the quality, which is one of the important aspects when it comes to construction. This brings smiles to the customer, the home buyer, and the investor in that group. From construction to finish, everything is done with perfection. It's not construction, it's called craftsmanship at its best. And the craftsman is Mr. Pankaj Brahmania, who is the owner, promoter of Sri Brahmania Group.
He is not just the person who is building the house. He knows the science behind it. He knows the what materials to be put, what is the logic behind that, everything he knows. And he is a person who is deep into it. And he is young and innovative in nature. So I have a bungalow there, so he can construct my bungalow also.
So I always hear conversations about, he talking to Pankaj Brahmania and Pari Brahmania. So always, Pankaj Brahmania, sir, he's so, so on time on everything. And he so minutely takes care of everything.
Basically our clients, most of the clients are locally from Mumbai. Some of the clients, I would just give you one small example. I have a client from Emirates. Most of my client base are from airlines industry. So on the basis of trust, she's taken a flat from us. All our documentation is done from LIC, you may check.
Today we both thought of conveying our heartfelt gratitude towards you. Thank you for everything you've done. Today, because of you, our house is being built. Otherwise, it would have been impossible for my house to be built over there. We being here in Switzerland, I don't know how it would have been possible, but you promised us that you would take care of it. You would ensure that the home is built and it would be a dream house for us. And you stayed true to your promise. So I don't know how do I convey my gratitude. I don't know how do I thank you enough for all the help you've done. Thank you very much, sir.
I know Pankaj for more than 25 years, and in this 25 years, I have seen him growing personally and professionally. I have seen his projects, I have seen his work, the quality of work, the innovative ideas, what he uses in his projects, and I must say that he always delivers on time. In fact, I myself have personally invested in his projects. I am very happy about it that I have invested in his projects, and I would strongly recommend everyone to invest in his projects.
I would like to give one example. I had my friend, she was the only person working in her family since at a very small age. She was like, कि falsa, I have a dream, मुझे ना एक घर लेना है और मुझे ना वो घर को ना सबके घर कितने सुंदर रहते हैं वैसा ही मुझे मेरा घर सुंदर बनाना है. तो I had a thought in my mind that like my friend, there were so many people जिनको घर बनाने की इच्छा होती है but they don't have so much of money. So keeping their thoughts in mind and उनकी जो इच्छा रहती है उनको दिमाग में रखे, I try to make a combination and keeping a small budget for myself, I try to work and deliver what they want.
सर का काम कराने का तरीका एकदम सुपर है. उन्होंने आगे कोई ना बहुत सोचते हैं कि क्लाइंट को मैं क्वालिटी दूँ और अच्छा चीज़ वापरते हैं और हम लोग को भी बोलते हैं काम एकदम प्रॉपर करो. जैसे हम लोग पाइपलाइन वगैरह उतारते हैं तो थोड़ा भी टेढ़ा रहता है तो सर देख लेते हैं तो नहीं चलने देते, पूरा वो सीधा करवाते हैं.
I started my career with airlines. So given 14 years of services in airlines industry has got me a tag of perfectionist. I'm sorry, I'm not praising my own self, but this is what it's there inbuilt in me. So if I see anything is wrong and if I have to deliver promised services to my clients, I go ahead and we break, of course, we do break that particular thing and we do redo it again unless the satisfaction is achieved.
सर एकदम काम का एकदम परफेक्ट काम करवाते हैं, थोड़ा भी 19-20 चलाते नहीं है काम में. क्वालिटी मेंटेन रखते हैं सर, वो खुद चेक करते हैं सर.
And he is a very clean by heart personality. And because his heart is very clean and very dedicated, so we can see his project also. This current project also very prospering.
तो स्लेट रहता था इधर तो अच्छा साहब ने तो बहुत मिला है वो बहुत सुविधा की है, बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
It's just matter of few losses, I mean few rupees of loss, but then we make sure our work is done correctly and we deliver promised services to our clients.
उसको ऐसा लगा कि मैं कुछ ऐसी चीज़ बनाऊं, मैं ऐसा काम करूं कि गरीब से गरीब फैमिली को एक अच्छा सा घर बना के दूं.
He made such a nice design where my architect also said such a nice design he has made.
There are many companies like Jaguar and I would name many more. It's on hand. They have awarded us for the design. That is the biggest achievement what we have achieved in this industry in past couple of years, and we look forward to get rewarded and awarded by clients with their smiles and their satisfaction. Thank you.